Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to proceed with question number 51. So till now, you realize that we have already discussed till 50 questions related to this role, that is business analyst. Okay, and you are preparing for this for interview purpose, then this series, this playlist is for you only. Okay, just go through all the videos which we have already released and discuss all the 50 questions. If still you are having any doubt, concern, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you out shortly. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what is number question 51. Describe a time when teamwork was essential to achieving the success. I have given here answers on the star method. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what exactly I have prepared for you. So a digital banking platform required collaboration across product compliance, UX engineering, and QA operations security. So ensure all team remain aligned throughout the delivery by by coordinating cross-functional workshops, maintain transparent communication, track dependencies, and ensure every team understood the business objectives and release the priorities. So after that, the platform launched successfully, met regularly requirements as well, and achieved high customer adoption with minimal post-release issues. The most successful products are built through strong cross-functional teamwork rather than individual efforts that I have learned from that situation. Got my answer which I have prepared for you? They have asked you describe a time when teamwork. So teamwork word is the important for you in the question, in the answer. Okay. So you have to give the answer where you can use this word everywhere. Fine. That's it. Fine. Okay. So, so the question number 52, that is next one, where the question is asked related to situation when other on your team disagreed with your ideas. It's related to conflict. Okay. So during the backlog refinement, I propose splitting a large feature into a smaller user stories. Some developers felt it would create unnecessary overhead. By reaching alignment without delaying sprint planning, I facilitated a discussion using a story mapping and demonstrated how smaller stories would reduce the risk, improve the testing, and provide earlier customer feedback. So after that, the team agreed the split the features sprint predictability improved and the stakeholder received the incremental value earlier. So healthy disagreement often leads to better decisions when supported by the data and open discussion, right? So which I have got that experience from this situation. Yeah. Okay, fine. Very nice. Good. So next question. Describe a situation when your work was not up to your supervisor's standards. Okay. So the early in my career, a supervisor felt my requirement document contained excessive details that made it difficult for stakeholders to review. By improve the documentation quality, I requested the detailed feedback, studied business writing best practices, and adopted visual techniques such as process flows and wireframes alongside concise user stories. By stakeholder review, after becoming faster, requirement clarity improved as well, and I received a positive feedback on subsequent project. So constructive feedback is an opportunity to improve communication and the stakeholder management, right? Yeah. Got the answers how the way you can express those things, that is important. Okay? Yeah. So the next question is tell me about a goal you set and how you achieved it. I wanted to improve the backlog quality across multiple agile teams by standardizing the requirement practices. So I introduced invest checklist, definition of ready, user story templates, acceptance criteria standards, regular backlog refinement sessions. So sometimes they will ask you, so you started here already, they were using that. Of course, they are using that. I just furnish it. Okay. Yeah. And 35% reduction in requirement defects, more predictable sprint planning, improved developer satisfaction, and consistent processes create consistent delivery outcomes that I think. Okay. Fine. This answer, because whatever you have introduced here, that means whenever we started using the agile team, they started using the same things, right? Then sometime that interview will ask you that would be there, then what you have done something, credibility or something, right? So just tell them, yeah, they were using the definition of ready, invest checklist, and all these things, but I have tried to use and focus to complete and done with all these things regularly. Okay. Yeah. So the next question, tell me about a goal you could not achieve. So we plan to migrate all the legacy reports to a new analytics platform within one release, complete the migration as well. During the execution, we discovered several undocumented dependencies and data quality issues. So I reassessed the priorities with stakeholders and propose a phased migration. So, although the original goal was not fully achieved in one release, the phased approach reduced the risk and delivered value incrementally. So, success is not always meeting the original timeline, it's making informed decisions that protect long term business value. That I, that my opinion, right? Yeah. So, next question. How often do you set a goal and revisit them? So, I set a goal multiple levels at multiple levels. So, personal development goals quarterly, then the team project goals each program increment of the release, and the sprint goals collaboratively with the Scrum team. So, I regularly review progress using retrospective stakeholder feedback, delivery metrics, and the lesson learned to ensure the goals remain aligned with the changing business priorities. Getting my point? Yeah. So till now we have discussed almost 5 questions in this series. 6 questions, right? Yeah. So just go through it, prepare the answers as per your experience, your thoughts, and your study. Correct? And if still you are facing any concern, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you. So in the next upcoming video, we are going to start and discuss from the question number 57. Surely? Yeah, just be with me. Thank you.